Dip a lemon in salt and rub it on your shower faucet. Your bathroom will shine like new again. No store-bought cleaner can give you this kind of freshness. Stubborn stains and buildup that accumulate over time don't have to mean endless scrubbing. A simple kitchen ingredient is enough to tackle even the toughest marks. Cut the lemon in half. Lemon has antibacterial properties, brightens surfaces, and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Press 1/2 into table salt. The salt acts as a natural abrasive that removes dirt and limescale. With gentle, circular motions, scrub the faucet. The combination of lemon and salt works like a natural scrub sponge that can handle even hard-to-remove discoloration. This trick is also great for cleaning the toilet seat or sink faucets, where water stains and deposits often appear. You can also use it to refresh stone or stainless steel surfaces that lose their shine over time. Finally, just wipe everything with a damp cloth and dry it with a paper towel. Use this method regularly, and your bathroom will always stay shiny, fresh, and free of stubborn buildup. Don't throw away the empty toilet freshener case. With this trick, you'll save a lot. Start by taking a bar of soap and grating it into fine shavings using a small hole grater. Choose any color and scent you like. Transfer the soap shavings to a pan and add your favorite floor cleaner. Stir over low heat until the soap melts and blends with the liquid, forming a smooth, sticky mass. Pour the mixture into a glass container lined with parchment paper and smooth the surface. Cover the container and place it in the freezer for a few hours until it hardens. Once set, carefully cut a piece that fits into the empty toilet freshener case. Place the prepared piece inside the case and close it. Put the freshener back in the toilet. Thanks to the floor cleaner, the bathroom will have a pleasant scent, while the soap helps remove dirt. This simple and inexpensive method creates a homemade toilet freshener that refreshes and cleans just as well as store-bought products. Don't wipe the toilet seat with paper before using it. Many people, when entering a bathroom that isn't their own, do one thing before sitting down. They grab a piece of toilet paper, fold it, and wipe the seat. Some even dampen the paper with water first. They believe this ensures hygienic conditions. In reality, this is just an illusion and doesn't protect you from bacteria, especially in public restrooms. If you truly want to maintain hygiene, you need a more effective solution. Start by tearing off a piece of toilet paper, wet it under the faucet, and add a bit of liquid soap or sanitizer, which is usually available in most public restrooms. Use this mixture to thoroughly clean the seat, removing most bacteria. Then, take another piece of paper to dry the surface. Only then can you sit down without worrying about germs. Simply wiping the seat with dry or damp paper doesn't offer real protection. To ensure proper hygiene, this simple but effective method is your best option. Use baking powder in the shower. The properties of baking powder aren't just for baking cakes. I'll show you how it can help you achieve amazing results, and it's not in the kitchen. It will help you get rid of stubborn dirt and save you a lot of money. Take a glass container and pour in some baking powder. Thanks to its chemical properties, baking powder can be an effective cleaning agent. Next, add dishwashing liquid. Then pour in the same amount of dishwasher rinse aid. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly. Once they are perfectly combined, take this mixture to the bathroom, specifically to the shower. Apply the mixture to silver elements. It will remove all water stains and soap scum. Thanks to the baking soda in the baking powder, it dissolves greasy and soapy residues that accumulate on shower surfaces and tiles. Then rinse everything with water. You'll see the results immediately. You can use a toilet brush to thoroughly clean the inside of your car. Sounds strange, but it really works. When I go to the car wash, I always take it with me. You just need to modify it for this trick. Take a clean toilet brush and use a saw to shorten the handle to about 10 centimeters. Attach the shortened brush to a drill. Its handle should fit perfectly into the drill's chuck. Now take this tool to your car. Just turn it on and apply it to dirty, dusty mats. The drill's power pushes the dirt out better than vacuum cleaners, You can literally see the dust bounce off the fabric. Just brush over the mats a few times at an angle. The dust that comes out is easy to clean. Moreover, the brush will also clean the crevices under and beside the seats, removing even large pebbles and debris. Making this brush cost me only 3 zloty, and my car mats haven't been this clean in ages. Apply this to your brush. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive method. It turns out that this foam has a brilliant use in the toilet. Take an ordinary brush that you probably already have at home, remove it from the container, and then squeeze the foam into the container generously. Place the brush back into the container so that the foam covers its entire surface. This prepared brush is a lifesaver. The foam acts like lathered soap with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it excellent for cleaning. Use this brush to scrub the toilet bowl as you usually do. It works great on yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave everything for 15 minutes. After that, flush the toilet. You'll immediately see how it shines. The bathroom will have a pleasant fragrance that lasts for several days after cleaning. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. The mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean. Put plastic bags on toilet seats. The results will surprise you. A simple bag can work wonders, making your toilet seat look brand new. If yellow stains appear, you don't need to replace the seat. There's an easy way to remove discoloration. Dirt accumulates in spots that are hard to clean with regular washing. Spray a cleaning solution generously, focusing on those tough-to-clean areas. Then, place plastic bags over the toilet seat, one on the top and one on the bottom. The bags keep the cleaner in place and prevent it from drying too quickly, allowing it to work longer and more effectively. Leave them for about 2 to 3 hours. During this time, the cleaner dissolves dirt and disinfects the surface. After removing the bags, you'll see the difference immediately. Your toilet seat looks like new, and stubborn stains are gone. This simple trick saves time and makes toilet cleaning much more effective.